want someone to buy me a pony. Jig jog, jig a jog, gee. Not too fat and not too bony. Jig jog, jig a jog, gee. For I want to go for a ride all around the countryside.
Welcome to 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten Storytime. I'm Lisa Springer, Children's Librarian at the Kate Waller Barrett branch of the Alexandria Library, and I'm here with my friend Gator. Allie is the symbol of our 1,000 Books program. You might have a paper kit at your house with Allie's picture on it where you track your books. If you don't have one, you can get it at any branch of the library, or you can track your books online. Just go to our website to the kids page and learn how. Look what I brought today, Allie. Nay! Yeah, it's a little pony. I brought a little pony today because I'm going on vacation to a beach which is very famous for its wild ponies. So today, Allie and I have a couple of stories for you all about ponies, and maybe we'll even go for a pony ride ourselves. Are you ready? Allie and I are ready. Let's go. Here is a very, very, very silly book by Andy Rash. It's called, Are You a Horse? Let's find out. Are You a Horse by Andy Rash. Today was Roy's birthday. His friends made a cake and gave him a great big birthday present. Wonder what's in that box. What's this thing? Roy asked his friends. Do you know what that is? It was a saddle, and luckily it came with instructions. Number 1, find a horse. Number 2, enjoy the ride. Roy wasn't sure what a horse was, but he couldn't wait to try out his new saddle, so he went out to find one. The first thing Roy came to was squeaky and rusty. Are you a horse? He asked. Nope, I'm an old wagon, said the wagon. A horse is a living thing. Next, Roy came to a tall, prickly thing. Are you a horse? He asked. I bristle at the thought. I'm a cactus, said the cactus. A horse is an animal. After that, Roy saw a wiggly, hissing thing. Are you a horse? He asked. A horse has legs. I'm a snake, said the snake. A skittery, pinchy thing ran sideways in front of Roy. It had plenty of legs. Are you a horse? He asked. A horse? I'll pinch you good. A horse is friendly. I'm a crab, said the crab. Now go away. You know, every time I read this book, I wonder, what is a crab doing in the middle of the desert anyway? Nobody ever told me. He saw a climbing, bug-eyed thing smiling at him. Are you a horse? He asked. I can be green, or brown, or purple, it said. But can you be a horse? Roy asked. No, but a horse can't change colors like me. I'm a chameleon, said the chameleon. Ew, look down there, catching a fly. Ick. Roy came to a tree with a feathered, hooting thing on a branch. It didn't turn green, or brown, or purple. Are you a horse? He asked. Who, me? Indeed not. A horse doesn't lay eggs. I am an owl, said the owl. Roy saw a fat, snorting thing rolling around in a mud puddle. He didn't see eggs anywhere. Are you a horse? He asked. Not me. A horse is clean. I'm a muddy, muddy pig, said the pig. Roy spotted a furry, upside-down thing hanging from a branch. It looked pretty clean. Are you a horse? He asked. A horse said the sloth. Next, Roy saw a rumping, growling thing. It was very fast. Are you a horse? He asked. Rawr! A horse eats grass. I am a man-eating lion, said the lion. Are you a man? The lion asked Roy. No, said Roy, I'm a cowboy. And he ran away as fast as he could. After that, Roy came to a quiet black and white thing eating grass. You must be a horse, said Roy. I'm not a horse. I'm a zebra, said the zebra. A horse doesn't have stripes. Roy was very upset. Why can't I find a horse? He shouted. Just as Roy was about to give up, he met one last creature. It seemed like a lively animal. It had legs and was friendly. It didn't change color or lay eggs. It was clean and fast. It loved eating grass, and it didn't have stripes. Roy was overjoyed. Are you a horse? Asked Roy. Of course, said the horse. Well, I have a saddle, said Roy. Would you like to go for a ride? Yes, said the horse. And so they did. Wait a minute. Is the horse supposed to be riding on Roy? No. What was Roy supposed to do? Yeah, he was supposed to put the saddle on the horse and ride on the horse. Oh, dear. Well, his friends are a little confused too, but you know what? Roy looks happy, and the horse certainly looks happy. What a silly book. Are You a Horse? By Andy Rash. I love this book, and you'll find it right here on the shelf at the Alexandria Library. We're going to sing a song called Riding on My Pony. We're going to walk around, and then when we get to the end, we're going to pull on the reins to stop our pony. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm riding on my pony, my pony, my pony. I'm riding on my pony. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Can we go a little faster? How about if we trot? Can you pick up your feet a little? I'm trotting on my pony, my pony, my pony. I'm trotting on my pony. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Can you go really fast? Hang on tight to your pony and gallop. I'm galloping on my pony, my pony, my pony. I'm galloping on my pony. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's do it again from the beginning. I'm riding on my pony, my pony, my pony. I'm riding on my pony. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Trot. I'm trotting on my pony, my pony, my pony. I'm trotting on my pony. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Gallop. I'm galloping on my pony, my pony, my pony. Galloping on my pony. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good job, ponies. This is part of a series of books all about Noni the Pony. Today, Noni the Pony goes to the beach. This is by Allison Lester. Noni the Pony Goes to the Beach by Allison Lester. Noni the pony is friendly and funny and loves going down to the beach when it's sunny. With Coco and Dave and the ladies next door, she slides down the sand dunes and onto the shore. I think that's Coco the cat and Dave the dog. And who are the ladies next door? Oh, cows on the beach. They frolic and splash as the waves tumble by, scattering seagulls into the sky. Dave dives like an arrow into the sea as dolphins go dancing by. 1, 2, and 3. Coco the cat doesn't like getting wet, so she has a snooze in an old fishing net. The ladies next door go in up to their knees, then run to drip dry in the soft summer breeze. Instead of a castle, the friends build a boat, and Dave sets to work on a circular moat. Do you know what the moat is? It's when you dig all around the outside of your castle and make a ditch. Dogs are very good at digging, obviously. When they peer into a tide pool at one lonely snail, Coco almost gets nipped on her tail. Do you see something behind Coco? Yeah, do you know what that is? Yeah, that's a crab, and you got to watch out. They do have very sharp pincers. Far out to sea, a whale blows her spout. Dave goes to look, but he swims too far out. So Noni the Pony, faithful and brave, wades through the swells and rescues poor Dave. Oh, he's going to be okay. Noni's going to get him. Then friends head for home up the road from the bay, happy and tired from their wonderful day. Yeah, I'm glad Dave is all right. You have to be careful when you go to the beach. Make sure you stay with your grown-ups. And that's Noni the Pony by Allison Lester. And if you like this book, we have several other books all about Noni the Pony right here at the Alexandria Library. Allie and I have to say goodbye right now, but thank you so much for being here with us today. We hope we'll be seeing you soon here on YouTube. And better still, we hope we'll be seeing you at the library. We love you. Bye.
With a jig jog, jig jog, jig jog, jig jog, jig jog, jig a jog, gee. With a jig jog, jig jog, jig jog, jig jog, jig jog, jig a jog, gee.